267 in the backyard. There is a clean out next to the sandbox. We're going to be going through here. Now, I may have to put it on pause because it's difficult to make this turn here. We're going to try. Alright, it's through. Now going in. We're 9 feet in. Go. Pipe seems to be in good condition. Very, very good condition. Here we go. 15, 16 feet. 16 feet in, there is a root penetration. 17 feet. And this is what's been causing most of the problems. You can see on the side of the pipe, it's been reamed back and forth. You can see the markings. But let's get past that section. It starts to turn downward. There's another little root penetration right there. Let's keep on going. Alright, looks good. It starts turning downward. Okay. Well, it drops straight down, it looks like. The pipe goes straight down. It's dangling right now. Looks like the pipe, there's an offset right here. Right there. I can't get the camera past. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, the offset is not allowing the camera to pass that section. And that is in the easement behind the house.